What's the meaning of blended learning? Blended learning. Blended learning.
Blended learning. Blended learning. Blended learning is an approach to education that combines traditional classroom instruction with technology-mediated teaching and learning. It involves the use of both online and offline resources to deliver educational content and facilitate student engagement and interaction. In a blended learning environment, students often have some control over the pace and manner in which they learn, while teachers are able to provide individualized support and feedback. Blended learning models can vary widely depending on the subject matter, instructional goals, and available technology, but they all share a focus on combining the best aspects of face-to-face and online learning to enhance student outcomes.